you have to be like attentive to the signs.
Sama ni.
I feel like we finna die.
Day, di ba ako kabaluan eh. Sunod lang ko ninyo, okay?
I forgot na good sa kuha ni eh. Kiraw.
Dita ka shift ani?
Puwapo! Look at me twerking. Look at me twerking.
Dita ka shift ani?
Go get a keyhole.
Ay, crouch.
Wala.
See.
We have to find everything.
What's this?
I'm scared, bro.
Me too. What if name mo ko
I'm
kalit?
so scared. Lagi.
Ay, Lord,
I'm
sana.
later. Oh my god. Oh my god, don't look, don't look, don't look, don't look.
Ay, okay.
Oh shit. Don't look, girl.
Ah, makuha ni.
That hole is so disrespectful. So disrespectful. Oh my god, bro.
Katungan na lang akong life back.
Anyways. Girl, come here. Ayawa. Tuslukan na ko giatay. Oh, coins.
Saan eh? Ay, nitago sa bed.
That kind of freaky though.
Magtingog pag nagka-trace aba kayo. It's too risky.
Nga ba si gauna na si madam.
Then nangita po siya.
Ow.
Kita mo, Kay?
Makakuha ka ka coins na rin me. Makapalit ka.
Unsa may mapalit na
Magtigo
to?
ka na bitaw mga drawers. Makapalit ka. You can buy items in the later on. If you survive though.
Oh, okay, okay.
Guys, don't leave me.
Ay, lag. Sa tubi.
What the fuck? You heard that?
Yeah, yeah.
You guys heard that?
Sa left, nasa left. Yeah.
No, no.
Kasi mukhaan. Ay, gago. Oh my god!
You okay, girl? You okay? Oh no.
Saan na?
What the hell?
Asa ka, girl?
We need a key. We gotta find something. That was funny.
Lagi. Ooh.
Basig
Ay, lag.
Uy, basig makarmahan ta ha.
Oh, we can't go there.
Over here, over here.
Ay, niportahan.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Dali, girl.
Ooh!
You found something?
I have a medicine. Or I don't know what this is. Staff, do you need some medicine or something?
I have some too.
Y'all, don't leave me.
Ay, dili man ni ko anday, medicine. Asa man ka
Saan na
mo?
day? Sprint?
Yeah. Look at me. Hello na. Oh shit.
Unsa na? Unsa na?
Oh my god. May pinahide.
Girl?
Day, tago, day.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did you tago ka?
Nice. Yes.
Nice.
I survived. Come here, come here.
I can't see something.
I forgot to buy ano.
Asa mo gikagkuan flashlight?
Mapalit nimo or either imuhang ma-find. Oh. Nice.
Gago nahadlo ko tong nining anak. Psst. Lansa ni.
Oh no. I think this is
Dilipad
Scary.
dayo eh.
scary, 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 scary. Scary, scary, scary.
Not yet, not
Girl,
yet.
your wings is blocking my way. What in the giat?
Ay, di, ay. Asam ta mga gi? Dirita girl, asa man ka?
Oh no.
Where the heck are you, girl?
Uy, kung nyo ba iba? Ayaga. Lukan, pagod na ako. Barabim, barabum. And where are we?
Diri?
In the middle of nowhere.
Ay, Lord.
Look! Hide, girl.
Sign na ba to?
We need to hide. We need to hide. Hide, yo! Hide!
Oh my god.
Nice. Ay, salamat. Did you hide?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Asa?
Okay, nice.
Ay,
Nice.
Girl, nice something done. Oh.
Where?
Eh,
Where?
saan to pag-avoid tumana bitaw? Psst, tumana. Katong nga monster.
Pangitaon ni mo.
Ay, gabi. Girl, ay!
What the?
Gago! Ay, pinaday. You know
Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, girl.
Oh my God.
We can't revive you. It costs Robux.
Lagi, mahal ka ayo.
Ayaw pa na.
Oh my god! Wala man mo kasaba!
Spectate na lang na mo.
Yeah. Okay. Padayon na mo, guys.
We're finaday.
Unsa na? Oh, katong mata-mata. Ew, that's weird.
Oh shit!
Sino ko, gatik tuyo, kagid mo.
Siya maabri. Oh.
Unsa na?
What the hell? What the hell eh?
Asa ka, girl?
I can't.
Dito
Sure.
ka, oh. Asa man ka niyagi? Girl, ibalik man ka.
Ah, mangko.
Diya. Atos pertahan, tas na crack sa bintana.
Ah, okay, sorry.
Noon sa man to si Avery.
That scared me, bro.
Wala, girl.
Oh my god.
Wala, girl.
Girl, hide.
Hide. Find a closet. Pag ilog jud mo closet.
Wala ka na girl. I put myself first.
Ooh, I heard some knocking.
Yo. What the hell?
I can't
What
see
the
a
hell?
damn thing.
I can't see anything. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna die.
Nadia's
Sorry.
Avery.
Yeah.
The nagiga knocking, girl. Watch out. Yeah, heard that.
No. What is this? I can't see. Hindi ko kakuha.
Nanihayag ko.
You take that. Wait. That. And then.
Diyaw. Diya. Likod ni mo, girl.
Ay, sorry. Hold on.
Dito.
Ay, yawa. Sorry. Anyway.
Wrong
Girl, I have a
matching.
crowbar. How can I use this for?
Basta magamit
Oh,
na like
hell no.
pagbuka sa ano,
Girl.
door.
We're cooked. Ah, yawa! Yawa!
Asa man ka, girl? Ayaw ka wala
I'm
ni
half a
Avery.
health. I am half a health.
Doon sa na.
Girl, how can I use the crowbar for?
Magamit ta talina kung naay mga
No. We need to hide.
y'all.
Girl.
Y'all hide. Hide, girl.
Wait, never mind. No, girl.
Ay, dili pa na. Uy, excited.
Pinaday.
Ay, alo!
Oh!
OMG girl!
Oh!
Oh. Dagan girl! Dagan girl!
Oh my
Oh my
god!
God!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm
Wait,
cooked.
wait.
I'm
Oh
cooked.
my
I'm
God,
cooked.
I'm God.
I'm so cooked.
Girl, nandun
I'm
mo
so
likod,
cooked.
girl!
I'm
Nandun mo
so
likod, girl!
cooked. I'm
Dai!
so cooked.
No, no, no!
I'm so cooked.
Oh my God!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nah.
Vibrate! Oh. Ciao, anyway.
I'm a spectate, bro.
Ano, namatay si Avery pa yun.
Eh, patay siya.
Yeah, I feel bad though. Wala kita hindi ako sinitabo, but like, sige go.
Sige.
Na ba? Mapi o na ilang puri. Hindi naman ang mapi. Anak naman ninyo doon.
Wom, wom.
Wait.
Oh, we can buy ano, lighter.
Yeah, we can.
I didn't get one, kulang kwarta.
I have flashlight.
The hotel. Let's go, girls.
Let's go. What's this? Oh.
Tago mo, guys.
Oh my god, dali aray ka! Hawa!
Tago, girl. Asa ka?
Never mind.
Ciao, anyway.
So we need to find a key.
I have it.
You did? Okay.
I-hold hindi.
Why am I so laggy?
Same. Something's weird. Diyan ako, day.
Really weird.
You heard that?
Girl, maulahig ka dira ah.
No, nara ko sa nilikod.
Oh no!
I can see.
I heard something.
Y'all, hide. Steph, hide, Steph.
Yes. Hide! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Grabe gutom na ko eh. Oh my god. We need a key.
Aman ka.
I can't
Find the key
even
daw.
I can't see a damn thing. Ay, no flashlight.
Aman ka. What is this? Wait, did he die? Oh my god! I girl died.
Wait, Savory?
Yeah.
What happened?
Girl died.
OMG girl, kita na lang.
Yeah.
I feel so dumb.
Ay gago. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Girl, tago, girl, tago,
Oh,
girl.
no.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Girl! Wait, I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
Chill, anyway.
No, no. Paranoid na kayo. You're too
Dili,
paranoid.
diluto na kita. Uy, si Avery, nabuhi.
You're too paranoid.
Nabuhi mo to balik sa Avery. And that hoe
True, eh?
went back.
Wala, uy.
Dara na, kisa din yung flashlight niya eh.
Yeah, ha. Imong gikuha.
Oh, oh my god. I didn't mean to.
Did you see that?
No, I didn't.
Oh, no. Girl, hide. Hide, hide, hide! 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 No!
Baka lang. Ay, gago.
Naamang good!
Oh my god. Nigawas ko ka-jute.
I told you! I told you!
What's up, man? Ipag-attack sa flashlight. Like, I can't.
I think you can.
Let there be light. Saan na?
Ayawa!
Bro, why is this?
What in the world? How can I avoid this? I don't know how to do this.
What was that? What was that?
Yo! I don't know how to... Wait, this is new. Oh, okay.
Wait pa ka?
It's halt.
Oh
We
yeah.
need to stop.
You finna die.
Oh
You
yeah,
did.
I remember this.
Unsa to die? Like, I've never seen that before.
Me too.
Go girl.
We died.
Oh my god.
Anyway.
We're just here chilling. Kinda feel bad though.
Oh no, girl. Oh no, girl. You're
Wala
on
pa,
your
wala
own
pa.
home. I feel like health is like you need to stop, or like you need to move backwards and then next na pud kay forward. I forgot.
I thought magpadaplin ra ka to. Kining, kuha
I
na siya,
guess.
ni
I
win
forgot.
straight ra siya, ni win in one line ra siya. It will say when
Yeah,
to turn
you
around.
have to turn around
I don't get it.
backwards and like, oh shit.
I can't see a damn thing.
Turn around lang ko, pero nakalimot ko. I forgot to turn around again. Oh no, girl. Girl is cooked.
Wow. Automatic. Don't stay in there too long, girl.
Girl! What is this? What's wrong with you?
Oh my god. She was like a breath away, mamamatay na siya.
Girl's playing with her life.
Wait, ano ba? Nang buto ng pagkasuga? Ooh, ice. You see that, right?
I have no idea.
Disgusting.
Oh no! Oh no!
Disgusting.
I remember the ice.
What? What does
I
it
remember
say?
the ice. I think it's kuan. Tawag gani eh.
Like, they had their eyes
I
on you?
yeah, I like that. You can't look at it. Yeah, like that.
Oh.
Girl, it's locked.
The eyes do be freaky. Go Diva.
Oh.
Ako na ba ng chase?
Oh.
Is this the chase?
Yeah. I mean the other in the second one. Oh yeah, yeah. That's it.
Oh.
Oh my god, girl, you're gonna.
Go, Diva.
Die.
Run!
Girl, run for your life, oh.
Oh my god, that one-eyed Enderman
Okay, he's
is
too
like
far away.
behind you.
I mean, it's too far away, so it's... Oh no, no, never mind. Never mind.
It's getting closer.
Never mind.
Allah! Holy! Oh my god, mga freaky hands. Watch out.
Ah, nice one. Okay.
Whoa. Deserve.
Anyways, child, anyways.
Ciao, anyway. It was a fun chase. What the hell? Okay, girl, we see you.
That was so weird.
Lain ng animation na to eh.
Lagi.
Oh my god.
Very freaky.
I wonder if buhi pa ta makasurvive baka tingnan ni kadugay.
Yes, if we pay attention.
Lain sa kador. Draw na isa kador.
Uh-uh.
Just keep checking on them.
I think it's for the locked door.
Balay ko
Oh, no.
nagyanan.
You guys heard that?
Hold on, try.
I think
Check
Gira na
kana
Gira
kana. Check that one though. Di ba?
Yeah,
Adraw na isa ko, lock door.
yeah, they're not sure.
Oh,
Oh,
my
no,
god.
girl. You need to hide. Oh,
Wala, wait, close it,
wala
bayit.
po. Wala po. Wala, no, no, no. Ah! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Makaulit man to, uy. Go, Diva. You're serving, strength and beauty. Can't see a damn thing.
Hate the sound. Like whenever you're in the dark. Oh shit.
Kato ba katong mutingog bitog. Unsan jud to pag-avoid? Siyo kamatay ato.
Pangitaon ni mo.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Nanauta siya
Hala?
po. Oh my god, sayang.
What the hell eh?
Girl was like being gangbanged by monsters.
Katong black thing eh. Ako po, wala ko notice. To be honest, wala ko notice ato. Nga mo, gawas na siya.
Same.
I think na-distracted ko atong ningkuan. Nga na, bitog tingog. Psst. Minutes eh.
Yeah, that was like a lucky. I'm gonna get for lighter.
Me too.
Ciao, anyway.
I think magkuhan lang po kong lighter. The hotel.
Kato bitong sige panitsit. Kay, pangitaon ni mo to siya, whenever like, kuwan,
Kung dili nimo siya pangitaon mo,
para
jump
dili
scare.
kanya paakon.
Oh, okay.
Oo.
Abi na i-avoid noon to nimo siya.
You have to like, dili girl. Kuwan to siya, kanang mag-look around lang ka. Di pangitaon ni mo to siya, mawala dayon.
Oh, okay. Gi-avoid noon to nako.
Girl, ganahan siya ma-notice ni mo.
She saw me.
Girl. Nothing.
Nothing.
This is gonna be so... Pag pay attention mo, like pay attention to your surroundings.
Bye.
No, don't...
Girl, asa naman ka, girl? You
Oh,
heard
shit.
that? Asa mo
You
to?
guys heard that?
Oh, I see
Oh
that
no,
flicker.
oh no, oh no.
I,
Oh no, no,
I'm
no,
hiding,
no,
I'm
no.
hiding.
I'm hiding, I'm hiding.
Oh my god, I hate that thing.
Same. Let's go, host. Wow, tas sa tagsang mag-lighters.
Ciao. We ain't see anything. And oh, I got
A
the key.
key. We're either lucky.
I got the key. Okay, people.
Oh my god.
Mayari, where are
Wait,
you?
where are y'all?
Nanami, Laos,
What?
Miss Stoller. Where the heck are you? Basing sa opposite direction ka ha?
I am in the other... Oh shit, I died! No, not really.
Girl, I think so. Oh. Diri, girl.
Girl, I am lost. Like, I encountered a monster.
Kato?
Oh no, girl. Oh no.
What's that sound?
Ooh, money. Yeah.
Okay, Laos lang, girl. Oh, flicker.
You hear that, hear that? Oh my god.
I can't. I'm gonna die.
It's gonna die.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh!
I'm dead.
Girl, mas happy na ko. Nawanhan ko sa giatay.
Ano, nahuro tagamatay? Oh
Oh
my
Cute
god.
niya. Girl, mas na close.
Wala kita closet, no.
Girl, kakita ko pero giunhan ko.
Yak, nasa apro ko sa isa kong lugar. Kaya, anyway.
Sayawa.
That was so ass.
That was so ass. Anyways,
Palit ko lighter again.
I can't afford a lighter this time.
So, wala siya sa rush na matay. Or, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's go, divas.
Diva. Imagine ba, early kita ka-encounter with kalungkuhan. Lisod na monsters.
Maura tong mga monsters.
Oh, what is this?
Saan yung gamit ang typewriter? Nana ko yung kaning nitpick thingy.
That's lockpick. I think you can
Abri
use
the door.
it sa mga locked doors. Let's go!
Okay, let's just keep moving.
Uy, pagbantay, biya mo ka. Inabiya ako na aisle flicker. No, look.
Ay, shit. Ay,
Oh my
gago.
God! Never mind.
What the hell?
Maduol ko closet. Maduol ko closet just in case.
Wala pa, girl.
Have nitpick.
Bantay mo sa eyes.
Oh my God. Why you guys keep leaving me?
Wala, flicker ni flicker. Mayari.
Oh no.
God, I hate that thing. I hate that thing.
Mas hit na ko tong bukuron ta.
Katong black guy.
Katupusig panitsit. Di atay.
Oh, katong
Girl. Anyway, you have to fix the ano. Yeah,
Go,
divas.
divas. Oh, we eating this up.
Wait, wala pa tayo namatay. This is a good sign or no?
No, ayog i-jinx pa, girl. So, which way?
Oh no.
Nanapon ni
Wait,
Batron.
wait.
Di ba nanay mo na? Should we, wait, unsay number
Oh
sa,
yeah.
unsay number
Oh
sa,
yeah, dito because dire na ay mo. Yep. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
You guys see that? Yeah. Oh my God.
I'm hiding. Okay, chill anyway. Are you divas okay?
Oh my God. I almost died.
Are we gonna get chased or something? Oh, not yet.
Nope. Wala pa mga higher class. Oh, I have lockpick. No need to trouble yourself, guys.
Go.
Never mind.
What if diha nga door?
Nope. I don't trust it. I heard knocking.
Same. Wait, unsa to nga last
Yeah,
door?
pikas.
Nabri ninyo? Oh my. Asa nga door? Wait, okay ta. Dire. Okay, dire
Oh
guys.
yeah.
That was so risky, girl. Wala matay na
I
dunggan,
can
di
hear
ba?
things. That's why I didn't go there. Wait.
Wala matay na dunggan po, di ba?
I heard knocking.
Ay, gago. Girl, duha na tag. Oh my God. Oh my.
Yeah.
Okay, nanakoy bagong hatred ato nga thing.
You have to hear the walls. Like, kung lain ba siya?
Diri y'all.
You guys heard that?
Yun, yung flicker.
Oh shit!
Oh my god,
shit!
I'm
Flicker,
getting,
flicker.
I'm getting this, I'm
Flicker,
getting this.
flicker, flicker. I'm gonna die.
Hide mo guys!
Ciao, anyways. This is
Ciao,
my fight
anyway.
later. Okay.
I do. Wala, ikaw na ni Chase. Mulaki
I
na
think
ta.
this is the one.
Okay,
I think
mulaki
this
na
is
ta.
the one. Oh my god.
Ay, di
Nope.
mo ang good.
Nope. Oh shit!
What was that?
Oh shit. Is that supposed to happen?
Kani? Oh yeah. Oh, ni
Wait,
flicker,
a flicker, a flicker,
ni
flicker.
ni flicker.
Flicker, flicker, flicker.
I'm getting this.
Ano lang kayo? Bye! Wait, what? Wait, that was not. This was
I don't think
right.
so.
Oh!
Sa mata-mata
Oh, girl.
na tali.
Girl, there's a lot. There's eyes.
There's eyes. Kasi nailakkuan.
There is eyes.
Open ano.
Whoa! No. Say mommy, please.
Girl! Mommy, please! Just open up already! Mother!
And it's gonna die.
Oh, ni flicker man.
Yeah, it's flickering.
Is that
Yup.
supposed to happen?
Hide, girl.
Uy,
Wait,
parang
no.
no. Kayo mo.
I think it's not.
Sa
Just
mata-mata
for-
man na, oh.
Just for safety.
Yeah, I think
Oh
si-
yeah, it's the cheese one.
Oh, it is.
Yup.
It is.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god, I suck at this. I suck
We're
at this.
gonna die.
We finna die. Oh my god, girl. Okay, okay. Lakinta, mayari.
Oh my god, my hands are sweating. I
Nakita,
am
nakita.
not kidding. Oh my god, I suck at this! Oh my god!
I'm still running.
Oh my god! I died. I went to the wrong door!
Same!
You died?
Yeah, dumantag patay.
Girl, I went to the wrong door.
Katong kuan di ba gikuanan og kahoy?
Yes.
Same.
Girl, I went to the wrong door. Okay, don't blame me. It was the wood's fault.
Yeah, yeah, same. I mean, we're stuck at this, right? Gingon na.
I suck at it.
Gingna na nga to. Oh, the eyes. Freaky. You hear that?
Girl, run! You ain't no survivor no more.
Yeah, we all died. I mean, what the kapalo? That was so out of nowhere.
Lagi, dili kita kuan oy ga-combo tong kato
Katong
bitong
mata-mata.
light ug kato para di siya makita.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it she
Pero,
got comboed.
Nadunggan ako actually.
Yeah, same.
Yan
She
ako.
got comboed.
Yan ako nga, you heard that? Boom. We all died.
That was ass. That was unfair. That was like cheating.
Fur. I think kailangan abrehon na tong sequence na to ning dula ah.
Yes.
Oh
So
my
first is
God.
the Jupog lighter.
Twerk. Spider
Anyway,
jump on me. Go Diva.
pero you know what's funny? You guys got licked by those kato bitong nasa mga door.
What?
Katubang sa mga fake doors.
OMG. I heard knocking.
Pagbantay mo ha, yung nakukong flicker.
I heard some knocking, girl.
Yeah, I heard some knocking too. That's fake.
Naa.
Charot. You guys heard that?
No. Wala, I didn't hear anything. Not yet.
I'm getting paranoid right now. No joke. Guys finding some coins.
No luck in anything. Kita mo, kuan? Like,
Oh shit! Don't leave me, yo.
Maka girl. Kita kag kuan,
I am robbing.
toothpick thingy. Oh, kita toothpick.
What? Naman naman.
Ay, wala
You got it?
kita.
Okay. In the ass.
Nara, oh.
Okay.
Okay, divas. Let's go.
Watch out mo guys. What if there's like a traitor among us? Is this? Oh my god!
Girl, where the heck
I
are
hate
you?
these controls. I'm robbing some phone. Oh, I saw this. You guys see that?
Things keep falling. Ni flicker guys, ni flicker. Ni
Oh,
flicker.
shit, oh, shit. Flicker, flicker, flicker.
Oh my god, tago mo. Tago.
Ciao, anyway. Anyone alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay.
Together our brains are draining.
Oh my god, why are we eating this up?
Oh shit. I hate this.
I heard something.
There's a knock, No, it's not.
Okay. Fake news.
Over here.
No, girl. That's a bait. Look at the number.
Yeah.
Patay si Avery. Char. Oh, the eyes.
Oh,
The freaky
no,
eyes.
I hate this guy. I'm stuck.
Saan mo ka, Miss Girl?
Ito, bantay mo ha? Bakit na
Saan man to?
Oh my god, there's a flicker!
Nainak. Ay, naglibog ko.
There's a knock here.
Same. Yeah, we're hearing the same thing.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Wala,
No,
girl.
oh my god!
Oh my god.
Guys, I told you there's a flicker!
Wala ko ka-notice anything.
I told you guys there's a flicker!
Oh my god!
I told you guys there's a flicker! Oh my god! Oh!
Naglibog ko. Na-overstimulated ko.
Girl!
Oh, Avery survived. Go, girl.
And she took our stuff. What the fuck?
Yeah, let her. She's our... Oh. Nagdungan manggod tong mata-mata bitaw tas... Oh my god.
Mao gani. Munay ka ng ano, like, sitaw gani combo nila. Una kay Flicker, dan nakana dayon. Oh my shit.
Am I hearing things or... You heard that?
Yeah.
Itong loud thumping
It's
sound.
the sit.
I
It's
mean,
the sit. I don't know.
the loud thumping sounds. I swear it was there. Okay, girl.
Da. So, bro.
Naisa ka door, oh. Oh, never mind. Kita siya sa kwan.
Bro needs a lock.
Wait. Dili na mao, I guess. Kato kana. Naay naking manggod. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, did I lie?
Oh my god.
I didn't
Oh my god.
I didn't mean to.
Oh.
Oh my.
Girl, you killed her.
Oh my god.
You killed her.
I'm so evil. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ayun ko, I don't think so. I heard the knock earlier after we died.
Yeah. Yeah, nakadungog ko sa knock pero abi dito nga door. Kung gi-avoid na niya.
Bro.
That was so evil. I'm not gonna do that again, okay?
Yeah. I hate you for sure.
Oh my god. Let's go, Divas.
Pag una ron, ikaw yung namatay. Nothing. Go girl, give us nothing.
Kadungkog
Oh shit,
na.
I heard a knock.
Asa man to
I
nga door?
heard a knock.
Yeah, same. Asa man to? What about that? Oh, it's the eyes.
Heard a knock again.
Asa man to di ay? Ni flicker guys, ni flicker.
Flicker? Oh shit.
Hala, I'm gonna die.
Me too. Oh my god.
Walay closet. Sakto ba?
Wait, really? Or
I-
maybe you're just paranoid.
No, I swear, ni flicker to.
Yeah, it flickered a lot. Oh my god, girl.
Ay, tago, girl.
I don't know what
Tago,
to
girl.
do.
Tago!
Girl, there is no cabinet.
What? You two died?
Yeah, I died.
Holy. I can't
I
believe
died.
I can't believe ako ang sole survivor. I don't even have a flashlight or anything.
Girl, don't disappoint us.
Nah. I'm taking this.
Kuha ko stuff. Oh my god, this. Oh.
I can't see a damn thing.
Ice, ice, ice.
Putik, itong mataha to. Asa mo to? Okay.
Mahurot yun na imong lighter, ah.
Asa mo ni? Uy, bakit
Tawag ganun
ako?
piano doon, ah. Nagpupi. Bro is robbing.
Nothing.
Kami tago.
Sa una,
Halapit na room ato.
katong inyong ikamatayan.
Giyaha.
Naay closet dito, like tulo
Wala
ka
ko
mo.
kakita yun.
Nakadungog ko, so niyan ako, tago mo.
Kakita ko sa flicker, but wala ko kataguan.
Pinudugay man to siya ni, kuan, gawas.
How? Bro is robbing. Save us, save one for us.
I'm so scared, to be honest. I'm so alone! Gabi, itilok yung mga kwarta
What
ba?
if I mean, abot ka door 50, then not, dayon maabot ka sa katong the library guy.
Grabe naman yun, B. Ay. Okay, I got a key.
Hurry up.
Sa mani?
Did you hear something? Oh no, that's no, not there, not there.
So, dire. Right? Dire?
Wait, Pika's to, Pika's to. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never mind.
Dito kay dungog kayo. No, no joke. Naglibog na siya.
Ah, gagi, putik.
Diva.
Ito na naman eh. Okay. I got the key.
Flicker, girl. Flicker.
Huh?
Girl, flicker. Girl, hide. Never mind.
Girl, false alarm ha.
That was...
Ay, never mind.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I told you, girl! I told you!
I'm so sorry, guys.
You have to wait a little longer.
Oh my god, y'all. That was so
That's so stupid.
I should have believed you.
Told you, I told you.
Oh my god. What time
Bro!
Makaunta ko, y'all. That was so ass.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
That was so ass.
I-upload na ko ni sa YouTube.